Outlier AI alternatives, 7 similar platforms with better pay, and these platforms also have more tags, and there's no sudden bounce just like it happens in Outlier. So did you get randomly removed from an Outlier AI project, or you are stuck with an empty queue, which is the EQ, the Outlier AI EQ? So don't waste your time chasing support up and down, because in this video I break down the 7 best Outlier AI alternatives that are recruiting human data contributors and also AI trainers right now. So these alternative platforms offer higher hourly rates from up to $40 to $100 per hour for specialists, and they have consistent tax volumes, and the onboarding is easier. Like, they have easier onboarding processes and have much lower risks of you losing your account. So these platforms are what I reviewed in this video. And in this video, I didn't just list out platforms that I got from Google. These are platforms that I've also been working with for a long time. I started with Telus Digital long time ago, which is also included in this video. So I'm going to be listing the platforms for you. And for some of these platforms I'm listing in this video, I've already done a video previously teaching you guys how to apply and how to get tax and projects that are currently recruiting. And I'm also making a video for each of them, how to sign up. So stop wasting your time waiting for Outlier AI to fix your account or give you tax, because hundreds of people are getting randomly banned every single day. But when everyone else is complaining on Reddit, and smart remote workers are quietly switching to these 7 platforms that pays higher, and that's what I'm about to share to you now. And the onboarding is faster on these platforms, and I don't randomly delete your account or just suspend you or not giving you tax. So let's get straight into it. And note, these platforms are platforms that I'm already working with. That's why I choose only 7 of them. I choose only 7 of them, but these platforms are platforms I'm already working with, and I've done videos on some of them, how to sign up, how to make the CVs, how to know the ongoing projects. One on my list here now is Dataannotation.tech. So the first on my list is Dataannotation.tech. So the Dataannotation.tech, they are known for the cleanest interface, just as you can see on the screen, and they have highly reliable payouts. And most of their tax starts from $20 an hour to $40 an hour for generalist roles. And if you want to do specialist roles, it ranges from up to $70 to $100 an hour. So Dataannotation.tech is the best go-to if Outlier AI is not the best for you. The next thing you should go to is the Dataannotation.tech, and they have different kind of roles, just as you can see here on the screen. They have the generalist role, they have coding, they have accounting, they have finance, mathematics, physics, chemistry, and so on and so forth. And this pays good number of money per hour, and the onboarding process is not as tedious as that of Outlier, just that you have to pass their AI interview, and AI interview is not something difficult to do. Like I said, I'm going to be making videos on all of them on how to pass them. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so you know when I'm uploading these videos. This here is Alignerr AI. This is Alignerr by Labelbox. Alignerr by Labelbox is the next one immediately after Dataannotation.tech. And do you know why I chose this Alignerr? Because it is the most modern Outlier competitor with transparent workflows. And they also have similar AI screening, just like Dataannotation.tech, but it's not something difficult like I've told you guys. It's not really something difficult. It's something that could be done, and I'll be showing you that in the next video. But I've already done a video tutorial covering most of the ones I'm listing here. So just watch the video to the end so that I will tell you the ones I've done the videos and where you could find them. And I did a recent updated tutorial with some persons from the members only. So we did a Google Meet and I recorded them, and I'll be uploading them also for members only, so that anybody can always have access to it and view the full tutorial. Now, data annotation and Alignerr, these two, they are the kings of the stability right now. because Alignerr uses a complete transparent onboarding this screening system, and I'm going to show you the exact keywords to put on your CV, like the AI prompt engineer and the domain specialist, so that this will help you to pass their automated screening filters instantly. So let's proceed to the next one on my list. The next one on my list here is the next one on my list here is Handshake AI. I've got Handshake AI here with me, and this is one of my best platforms that I use to sign up persons from United States. So now this Handshake AI is a fellowship style program. It's a fellowship style program that is partnering with OpenAI and Anthropic, and they are paying up to $40 to $60 an hour for specialized knowledge. And they've got a lot of tags here. You can see here training opportunities. They have software engineering, which pays $90 an hour. They have investment bankers, which is $175 an hour. They've got ophthalmologists, which is $300 an hour. They've got cartographers and photographers. All this English is here. Cartographers and photo. But this one is cartographers and photogrammetrists here, which is $75 an hour. And they also have numerous opportunities. Conservation science professional, $75. So you can see that all of them here, they are of high pay, and these are things that Handshake AI are offering. So but now, to be able to apply for this Handshake AI job, you need to have an edu mail. What I mean by an edu mail, you need a student's mailing address, so they know that you're a student. Because if you don't apply as a student, they're going to be asking you for certifications that I know very well that you might not have, that you're not going to have that certification that they're going to be asking. So that's why we use edu mails to apply, and they have selected schools in two of these their programs. But Handshake AI is a very good one. And if you are applying by an invite, you don't necessarily need to use the edu mail, like the student's mail. Like if somebody should send you an invite, like for Project Ivy that you're currently applying, if you're using an invite, you can just apply with your Gmail address, just verify with your ID, and you are good to go. This is Micro One. And now Micro One connects domain experts to frontier AI labs using smooth AI onboarding with rates matching your professional background. Micro One have numerous tags for generalists and also for experts. So if you're looking for an outlier alternative that provides you opportunity to train AI and contribute to how AI interacts with humans, then Micro One should be in your list of considerations. So head to micro1.com and sign up for any AI training roles that matches your skill or fits you. And they also use AI onboarding method, which is called Zara AI. And Zara AI is a recruiter agent and source vest for the domain expert at high velocity in Micro One. So head to Micro One and take your sign up. And I've already done a video on how to pass the Micro One AI interview, which is in the members only. Alright, now if you want a massive pay, we're talking $40 to like over $100 an hour. So you need to look at Handshake AI and Micro One. These aren't just basic micro tag sites, because they connect domain expert directly to top AI labels, and top AI labs like Anthropic, and getting in requires passing an AI driven interview, just like I mentioned about Zara AI. And here is the exact secret to cleaning and clearing it on your first attempt. So AI training and remote jobs It's a possible thing with Alignerr AI and Micro One, and this is something that you should try out because they got good jobs and they also have good pay. So if you want sheer volume where you never run into an empty queue, you need the global giants, which is OneForma, Telus, and Crowdgen. OneForma alone currently has massive translation and AI training projects that are recruiting heavily, and I'm going to show you exactly how to link your Pioneer account correctly so your payments clear without getting flagged or stuck in verification limbo. And I've made video on OneForma already, so you can check the video before this one that you are watching now. The video is on OneForma, and the video next to that is also OneForma. So I made a video on how to sign up on OneForma and also a video on how to apply for projects on OneForma, and I use one project as an example for a tutorial which I applied for translation project on OneForma, and also the certification answers attached to it as well. So go and check the video out and start applying to OneForma today, because OneForma is the next big thing that is happening, that has been happening and is happening and will still be happening in this freelance job that we are doing in this freelance space. So OneForma is big. This here is OneForma by Scientific. Now I've talked about OneForma before and I've done some videos just like I've told you guys. So OneForma is a massive global scale. It's great for translation projects like English, MTP, tax, and data annotation projects. So I've talked about OneForma, so there's no need talking much about it again. So just head over to OneForma.com and make your application and check out the video I've done on how to apply for the projects and get started immediately and start earning money online. And here on my list is Telus Digital. Telus Digital was formerly called Lionbridge AI. Then from Lionbridge AI, they transitioned into Telus International, and now they are currently called Telus Digital. And it has high corporate compliance and a massive search engine evaluation projects. So I know you must have heard about jobs like US Rita, which is currently now called Content Reviewer. These are projects that are listed on Telus Digital. They have jobs like online data analyst, which involves map evaluation. They have other jobs listed just like the ones here showing here, like TFH face duplication collection, and these are all remote jobs. You can also see multilingual script writers. You can also see generative AI multilingual specialists, which is LLM and search evaluations. You can also see AI law specialists for PhD master's holder. I can see full stack AI logic specialists, and so on and so forth. These are jobs that are all listed on Telus Digital. So you just need to make out time, go to the website and check out for jobs you can do, then take the application. And one thing I do is that I don't just mention them to you, I teach you how to apply from any country that you are staying. And I've done videos on Telus Digital previously, but I'm still gonna do updated video, just like I've promised that I will do. And I've done some like which I said towards the end of this video. I'm gonna tell you the one that I've done the video tutorials, but the video is limited to members only because it's a live session that I just concluded. I think that's like a few days ago. That was inside last week. So it is still recent and it is still updated, and it is the newest method on how to join these platforms. Now, in this one, this is Crowdgen by Appen. So this is a long-standing platform. Crowdgen has been in existence since the time when I started way back 2022. So it's a long-standing remote work giant providing a steady mix of micro tags and also AI evaluation jobs. So they also provide AI evaluation jobs, which is known as Project ULO. You must have heard of ULO, which is should I call it a big? It's like a big project for us into this freelance job. So in this video, I have compared which platform pays the most per hour for generalists and versus experts, and I've also talked about how to pass the screening assessment on Alignerr and Handshake AI on your first try, which has to deal with using AI onboarding, which is called Zara AI. So Handshake is already explained, and which platform use automated AI interviews for instant onboarding, strategies to protect your account from sudden algorithm bans. Like I've told you, these are all outlier alternative. They're nothing like being banned or you are not able to get into the project or whatever thing like that. So that doesn't happen here. And for these platforms that I mentioned, I've done video tutorials about them previously, but I just did recent updated tutorial on how to get onboarded, apply for the project, how to apply from wherever you are located, how to pass the exams, and everything. So all you have to do is watch this video from beginning to the end so you can comprehend and understand and check which one you can do the job. And even if you don't know how to do all these tasks, you can make the account. There are raters who are willing to take it from you and work, and you guys are going to split money. So don't sleep on these platforms. Why Outlier is misbehaving, just go to these platforms and begin making your applications. Even if you have Outlier, you can as well use the same persons or still find your way around these projects in these platforms and double your income. So I said that towards the end of this video, I'm going to tell you guys the platforms which I just concluded the tutorial by members of Tech Freelancer, that people that have joined the channel membership. So we did a Google Meet where I explained some of these pro platforms that I've already listed, because I told you guys these are platforms I also work with, and I currently have an account and I'm teaching persons how to apply for some ongoing projects which is currently active right now. So for the person who joined the channel membership, we did a Google Meet and I explained everything, and I have a screen recording that I can also upload you on YouTube. But even if I'm uploading them, I said it's going to be for members only, so which I have uploaded to the channel membership for the level 3 members. So no knowledge is a waste. So even if you have Outlier ongoing or you don't have, you can as well sign up on these platforms. So what I taught them and what I explained, and which I'm also going to hold a new class by this week, being on I'm going to do that on the 27th of this month, being Children's Day. So I'm going to be holding the class again. So I'll be teaching you guys how to get clients on sites like Craigslist and Gumtree for opening an account, and also for verification. The best practices on how to create an account on all these platforms I've listed, which I selected few like the Crowdgen, the Handshake, the OneForma, Outlier, and Telus, and also how to set up payment method and receive your funds effectively wherever you are. For the persons in Nigeria, I'm also teaching you guys how to open Payoneer, Landing, PayPal, Clever, ATM, and Notion. So, and other many more things that we discuss. So even if you're a newbie or you're a knowledge lover, or those who just love to share knowledge as well, you are all welcome. So don't forget to join the channel membership, and don't forget to like this video and to share to persons who are looking for legit remote job. Because here on Tech Freelance Hub, we don't just do review, we don't just list them. We teach you guys how to get this account going from whichever location you are. If it's US account you want to make, if it's UK account, Netherlands account, we teach you all how to do that, and you can apply from wherever you are staying. We teach you both the white hat method and the black hat method on how to join these platforms. So don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to do yourself a favor by joining the channel membership, and also join our Telegram channel as well, as I'll be sharing CVs templates, CVs that got me the remote jobs and exam answers. And for bonus platform, also go and check out Maker AI.